I was going down the road and a lady, she was coming from the opposite direction, went to cross over. There was a truck trying to cross over in her direction, blocking her view, so she just took her chance and came out, T-boned me. It sent me forward into head-on into a light pole. I have a couple discs that are dislodged or whatever. Had a concussion for a while and other injuries, but I actually have known Steve Brooks for many years, so I've always told my kids if anything ever happened to make sure this is where they came. It was very good. Everything was done through technology these days, so it was online or text stuff. That made it very convenient with all the hospital and doctor visits, and between that and still trying to work and everything, it would have been hard to come in. So Jasmine, there was another lady at the beginning, and then Mark, the attorney. Everybody kept me informed. What they were doing. If I hadn't heard from anybody for a while, I'd hear from somebody just updating me on what was going on and keeping me in the loop. Absolutely, yes, absolutely. I've never been through this before. I didn't know what to expect, so they made it quick and easy and painless, and I was very appreciative for that.